workshop on Learn to Get a Job. Please take a moment and ponder what you expect from this workshop. Okay, here is a question. When you're searching for a job, who will you ask for help? Of course, none of these people from this slide unless that person is an expert in the field you are searching for the job. Let's do a knowledge check. Please write these on a paper. First, write the name of 3 industries where you could get hired. Now, please write the names of 3 companies that have jobs positions you are looking for. After that, write the names of 3 companies that have job openings for your title skills. Now, do you have any connection to any of the above, from your friends or family? Okay, so why did I ask you to write about connections? Only the last one, you can ask someone to guide you. To get deeper in your job searching, let's do some practice. Please read the advertisement carefully. Now this advertisement. Some more ads. Okay, here is a catch. How many keywords can you find in this ad? So, you have the keywords and other information. It's time to compare yourself. Please select the answer that is true for you. If all 3 are equal or higher, you're good to go. But, if any of these are at the lower level, here is what you need to do. When your qualification is lower than what they demanded, do you have any relevant knowledge? That is a certificate course, MOOC, or volunteer experience. It might help you overcome lower qualification. But, if your experience is lower than the demand, see if you have volunteered in that field, and again, further courses, MOOCs and even books can help you qualify for this experience. How can you gain skills from books? Some skills can be learned from books, others from workshops or training, and YouTube has a long list of free training for lots of skills. It is time to apply what you have learned till now. While applying for a job, cover letter, resume are required to apply for the job, whereas you need to get back to the employer or call them after getting an interview call. You need to get prepared. What is a cover letter? It is your short introduction, relevancy between you and the job ad, and your experience. Remember, correct grammar is a must. Then comes resume. There are 3 types of resume: functional, chronological and hybrid. A chronological resume is used when you have no breaks in experience. A functional resume is used when there are gaps in your experience. A hybrid resume is used for newbies or highly experienced people. All the resumes have these parts, although their sequence could be different due to types. Header, summary, objective, experience, qualification. Remember, time is precious. Keep learning whenever you have time. Keep yourself preparing for the job. Once you get one, keep on learning.